Hi teacher, my name is Angie. I am 23 years old. My name is Daniela Romero. I am a police. My phone number is 3233270788. I was born on March 5. I live in this moment in Villeta. I like to eat candy in all moment. I hate the people that mistreat animal because they're innocent and in defense. I love to go. I love going to rock concert with my friend because we really have a good time here. I like dancing and swimming on my free time. I live with my mother and my sister. My mother she's born in the airport, and my sister is a steward. My sister she likes the animals, and she have three puppies. My boyfriend he is a policeman. He likes the animal, and he doesn't like to read. He lives in Bogota. This is my work. This is my group in the work. He's a funny person, a good person. I love it to him. Okay, teacher, finish.